have to know about what is wavelength and what is time period. It is very, very important. Time period. What is time period? Before that, we have to know what is the crust and trough. This is an wave. Okay. In this wave, one crust is present and one trough is present. The upper part, this part, is called crust. This is called crust and this is called trough. Okay. This is called crust and this part is called trough. What is meant by time period? The time taken to complete one cycle is called time period. I will tell what is that. What is one cycle? One cycle is nothing but, okay? One cycle is nothing but one crust and one trough. The combination of one crust and one trough is called one cycle. That is total 180 degrees. Okay? Here 0 degrees. 0 degrees, 20, 30, like that. Up to 180 degrees. It is called off cycle. What is meant by full cycle? Full cycle means total. The 360 degrees. Okay? Total cycle. Positive off cycle plus negative off cycle. Okay? Time period. Time period is nothing but the time taken to complete one cycle. It's called time period. This is one cycle, no? The time taken to complete one cycle is called time period. From here to here. This is called time period. Okay? What is meant by amplitude? Amplitude is nothing but peak to peak value. This is the positive off cycle. This is the negative off cycle. Positive off cycle and negative off cycle. In total full cycle, there have two positive off. There is one positive off cycle and one negative off cycle. Okay? The peak to peak value of a cycle is called amplitude. This is called amplitude. Okay? Now we know time period and amplitude. We have wavelength. Okay? Wavelength. What is wavelength? Wavelength is nothing but it is the length of total wave. Okay? We have to know first hedge. What is hedge? The number of cycles made for 1 second is called frequency. What is frequency? The number of cycles made for 1 second is called frequency. number of cycles made for 1 second is called frequency. Cycles per second is called frequency. The units of frequency is called, what are the units of frequency? Hertz. If you get 1 cycle for 1 second, it is nothing but 1 hertz. If you get 2 cycles, here there are 2 cycles, no? 1 cycle, one complete cycle plus and another cycle. These 2 cycles, okay, these 2 cycles are in 1 second. So how it is called? Because 2 hertz, okay, 2 cycles per second is called 2 hertz. Similarly, now we have to know what is wavelength. We have to know what is the wavelength and what are the units of the wavelength. Okay, units of the wavelength is meters per second. Meters per second. That is nothing but lambda is equal to c by, yeah. What is c? C is nothing but the velocity of the light. What is the velocity of the light? It is 3 to 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. By frequency, number of cycles made per 1 second is nothing but frequency. Okay? Consider 1 hertz. Okay? What is 1 hertz? 1 cycle per 1 second. We can also tell that 1 hertz is equals to 1 cycle per second. So, I will write 1 cycle per second. Okay? 1 cycle per second, like meters per second. Okay? Now, what it means? This is the velocity of the light. The electromagnetic wave also travels with the speed of velocity of the light. It is approximately equal to the velocity of the light. The electromagnetic waves travel in phase with the velocity of equal to the light. Okay, that is nothing but 3 to 10 to 4 meters per second. Okay. Now, okay, this, what is the unit of light? Meters per second, velocity of the light. And what is the units for frequency? Hertz. Hertz is nothing but cycles per second. Okay, cycles per second. Here, per second is cancelled. What is the remaining unit for lambda? It is nothing but wavelength. Lambda is equal to meter per cycle. Okay, meter per cycle. Got it? What is wavelength? Wavelength is equal to meter. Okay, 1 cycle, another cycle, and another cycle. How many cycles are there? There are 3 cycles. Okay, there are 3 cycles. Okay, F is equals to 3 hertz. 3 hertz means what? 3 cycles in 1 second. Okay. 3 cycles per second. F is nothing but pulse is equals to 3 Hz. That is nothing but 3 cycles made per 1 cycle. Here is the 1 cycle, another cycle, and another cycle. There is a 3 cycles. First cycle, second cycle, and 3 cycles. What is the wavelength? Okay. Frequency. Here frequency is 3 Hz. 3 cycles made per 1 second. The distance covered by frequency, okay, the distance covered by frequency in 1 second, which is the velocity of light, is called wavelength. Okay, clear? Once again, these 3 cycles, consider here 3 cycles. Okay, these 3 cycles are producing. These 3 cycles are producing in 1 second. 3 cycles made per second is called frequency. Okay. These 3 cycles cover a distance up to certain meters. Okay, these 3 cycles cover up to travel in forward direction up to some distance in 1 second. This is the velocity of light. Is called wavelength. Okay, wavelength is nothing but velocity of light. Velocity of light by frequency. The distance covered by these 3 cycles in 1 second. Okay, the distance covered by these 3 cycles in 1 second with the velocity of light is called wavelength. Clear? That's it.